Hi, Happy New Year. My name is Falake and welcome to the first lesson of 2023. And in this lesson, I'm going to share with you real quick 3 reasons why you struggle to achieve your goals. It's the first month of the year and we have all of these goals. So knowing this will help you not get stuck. So the first reason is because you don't know your why. You don't know why you're doing the thing that you have said you want to do. You don't know why you've set that goal. You're probably doing it because you've seen other coaches or other businesses doing the same thing and you feel like, oh, okay, this is why I should do it. But your why has to come from inside. Your why has to be a deep conviction, and only you can tell yourself why you are doing the thing that you are doing. So take some time to find out, why have I set this goal? Is it for an outside reason or is it for an inside reason? The inside reason will keep you on that path for longer, up until the end, up until the next goal, and you'll find that you're able to go through the challenges and the struggles because you have a deeper why. The second reason why people struggle to achieve their goals is you want to start too big too soon. Why? Even in school, you start from year 1, 2, 3, like so. So you cannot skip a level, right? There's no elevator to success. You have to take the steps. So you have to start from the first step. You have to start from the first level. And there's no shame in letting people see the dirt, letting people see the grind, letting people see the disappointments, the failures. That's part of the content, right? So see it as you documenting your process, because in your failures, in your mistakes, in your doubts, you're still pushing, and that is motivation for someone else to get on their journey. So don't start too big too soon. Yes, your big dreams will become big, but you have to start small. So practice starting small. It's easier, it's better, and then you can measure your success when you start small. Right? The third reason why you struggle to achieve your goals is you're trying to make it perfect. You're trying to make everything perfect. And it doesn't have to be perfect, especially when you're just starting. You can start rough, start ugly, start messy. The point is you start. You're better off starting and making a mistake than someone else who is busy planning and never starting. I'll add a pro tip, right? I suffered from analysis paralysis, and I didn't realize this until my coach Steve Harris mentioned it, and I realized, oh, there's something called analysis paralysis. And what is analysis paralysis? Where I'm in the planning stage, I'm just planning, and the planning never stops. And I found that I was stuck in that planning stage because I was afraid. I was afraid of making a mistake. I was afraid of not getting it right. I was afraid that it wouldn't work. And that fear of failure got me stuck in planning. So I had to recognize that was what was going on, and then I just had to start. And I had to realize that it's okay to make mistakes, because failure is first attempt in learning. So failure is still a learning process. Failure is feedback. And the more I fail, the more I get feedback, the more I get results on knowing what to do and what not to do. So go ahead. Will you please fail? In your failure, you will get it right? So these are 3 things stopping you, and I'm sure that now that you're aware of these things, you're able to make the adjustments here and there. The key is to just start. That business plan is okay. Start. Your content calendar is okay. Start. Your video is okay. Post it. Okay? Just start, right? And to help you with that, I have a book, Just Start, already. You can get it from the description below. And if you want tools, you want guides, and you want a money planner for your business so that you can get started, I've put everything together in my CEO's briefcase, and you can also get that from the link in the description. Happy 2023, and I will see you in the next